So in the previous video we made the cylinder for the pen. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a wrap. So in your designs you would have had some concepts and you came up with a pattern or a design that you want to put on it. So to get the wrap you have to get the circumference of the circle. It's 5.5 mils because it's 11 mils in total. So you can just type in circumference, and on the internet there's a circumference calculator. So I've put 5.5 in there, and then it equals 34.55752. So now I go back to my sketch. I like to view it right from the front. So if you go here to the viewer, click on front. Now I'm going to go back to a sketch and I select my front plane as well. Then I'm going to take the rectangle tool, the corner rectangle tool, and I'm putting it right on the bottom there. I see it didn't go right on the bottom, so Control Z. So we'll just do it again. So when you click it keeps it in on that corner. So I've got that there, and I'm going right to the top and I'm pulling it across. And so I want this bottom measurement to be 34.55752. Enter, and then the second one 51.75. The reason why I want the circumference is now this will wrap one time around the cylinder, and then what you can do is you can grab the line tool plus the construction line tool, and then I can draw. If you hover over it, see if that orange block appears. That's the center of my block, so I can draw a center line there. This is just guidelines. Press escape and then I can do it again. Line tool, construction line, and I hover over this line until I get the block. Then I draw lines across. So you can do more lines if you want to. I'll just show you. If you click on this one and click on that line, so I can put it anywhere for now. And then if you go to press escape, go to this, get the center tool, so midpoint. So I went, you can look for it here as well if you search for tools, midpoint. And if I click on that point and those 2 points, it will automatically move that to the midpoint. Let's do one more. So I've got this and I'm putting it anywhere on that line, straight down. Then I'm going to go to my press escape, my midpoint tool. So I click on this, that and that, and it will automatically move that line to the middle of those 2 points. Let's do, and you can do lines across here as well for reference. So now I just have to sketch. I like to use the spline tool because the spline tool kind of stays live. So if I draw any random shape here and press escape and then choose the spline tool again, and we'll do another one there. So you can choose what you want to, it's according to your design. So you can practice this, copy this one exactly for practice, and then do your own design. And then we'll do that one, and a last one we'll do one. Every time you click, it gives a point that will be movable afterwards. So I'll press escape. I'll just show you. You can move those points. So see, you can change your shape a little bit like that, and you can change this one. So now when you want to use the wrap tool, you have to go out of the sketch. So I'm going to click the green tick, and then I'm going to click on search, and then I'll just search for the wrap tool. It's easy, and then there's the wrap tool. Now we don't want the surface wrap, we want the solid wrap. And then the first block, so rather make this 1.5 or 2 mils. You don't want it to stick out too much of your pen. Then we're gonna have a solid, and then what we want to wrap is those. So I'll click on all those that I want to wrap. So just let them be highlighted. Then my target is my circle, so I want to wrap around the circle. So if I click on target here and I go on the circle, that's my where I want to wrap it about, and you can see it wrapped it around. And if you give it a green tick there, you can have a look at it and see you've got the pattern wrapped around your pen now. Then just for comfort, see this fillet tool, we can go, but yeah, 0.5 mils will be good. And if I click on each one of these surfaces, it will fillet the ends around, so you can have a look there, see it's a little bit round. That's just for comfort of holding it. So that's basically using the wrap tool, and this is a wrap.